Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, just a massive bolt over there then. Just in Adelaide down at Port Dalunga, chasing a storm, the first Adelaide storm. Check this out. Some massive bolts. I've already got one good bolt. I met some new friends. What a beautiful place. So I'm a bit frantic getting set up. Oh, massive ones over there. Nice little rain shot, sun glare. Let me show you the shot I got. Have a look at that, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, awesome. So I just got the camera down and just started. So hopefully he's going to go all night. My new friend said it's going to be storming all night, so I'll be hanging out. Okay, we'll talk soon. Right guys, that's the radar. We're in Port Dalunga. I can't even pronounce it. I'm that excited, I can't talk. So that's what's coming towards us. Bring it on. Right guys, old heart rate's going a bit fast. Have to try and calm down a bit, but check this out. What a beautiful location. And there's some more lightning bolts coming this way, so it's just going off over here.
That way?
Yeah.
Oh! Seriously, you know, I should get my other camera out.
Yeah, well you might as well get two going if you got it.
What are you running, Shab? What's happening there?
At the moment, I'm running F16 at the moment, purely for the fact that I've got no filter. Yeah. In 1 second.
So what's your duration on your time lapse? Are you doing time lapse? Or just take
time lapse, just it's long exposure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got a lightning alarm. Whoops, where was that? I looked down. Let's go get my camera. Sorry, mate.
Obi, it's going to be heading over that area.
That's coming out.
Yeah.
You reckon you would rough that?
That's what I'm facing at the moment. That's what you want. That's what you want. That's heading our way. That's coming this way.
This big ear?
Yeah, big guy.
Yeah. Be good few shots down the jetty, right?
Right guys, it's going off here.
Yeah, epic.
I've got a camera here doing a time lapse and just got my lightning trigger going off here. Oh!
Get it?
Yeah. Oh.
Yep, got it.
Oh, look at that.
Got it. Yeah, double strike. Double strike.
Woohoo! I'll show you people when I can. I just want to let the camera keep going. I'm just babbling. Just don't know what to say. We can
It gets you like that. It's got a double going there.
Got 3 cameras going, the GoPro and 2 other ones. Oh,
I'm just hoping this one lights up.
yeah, look at this here. That looks nice, doesn't it?
That looks magic.
Oh,
Yes.
You know what's that?
I reckon I did.
no, I missed it.
That was a double woozy.
Let me see.
Oh, that's awesome, Mom. Yeah, that's killer.
Pay attention to the...
Yeah, well, she gets attention, don't worry.
It's beautiful. I'm so sorry. That's brilliant.
All
Let's have a
right,
look.
Sarah.
All right, it's done,
Oh yeah, that's nice.
This is my first time shooting
Is it?
lightning. Yeah. So I'm really happy with that.
Oh, now you're hooked now, are you?
No, not really, but
We need to come...
Oh,
I didn't
geez.
get that.
Oh,
Yes, double striker.
yeah. Nice reflections in the water too.
Yes.
I'll give my mate a FaceTime.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot I got the camera rolling.
You'll be able to crop it.
Yeah.
This is going to be next slow too, eh? It's going to
One of these down there at the moment.
be... He looked good for an hour.
Here's my storm chasing mate in Wyler.
Yep.
I don't know if you guys can see the lightning out there. Oh,
Did you get it?
oh,
That's a good shot.
oh man.
That's a good one.
God, that's the next one before it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, Dinner Beach is pretty nice.
You know what you should do is face the other one, the other camera over here.
You reckon?
Yeah, because I reckon you're going to get a few that'll get that sunset.
Oh, this is going off. I'm enjoying this. Oh,
Oh, yes. Hope you got that.
yeah. I have to change my exposure a bit.
Sensitivity.
Oh,
I reckon I got that.
Oh, really?
I reckon.
yeah, I got it.
Oh, sick. Good stuff, mate. Well done.
It's hard.
I can't change my exposure, it keeps going off.
You can go down there. Otherwise I'll go to the intercept spot.
Oh guys, this is freaking going off here. Just got a massive bolt just out here. Oh! I missed it. No, I didn't, just got the edge of it.
Yeah, I got the edge of it too. Just missed out. Actually, I'm thinking of going down there myself. You can take the spot otherwise.
Oh,
Thank you, Sarah.
Oh.
And then you've got the
Oh!
I'm hoping I got it.
Jesus.
That was epic. Did you get it, Sarah? I did.
Got that one. Mate. Can you imagine being down the jetty?
Oh, yes.
Oh, nice. That's cool.
Just as kitty twat on there.
Jetty. Actually, top of bluff.
Yeah, good, right.
Yep.